Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we are going to unbox this hair dryer by Khind, and this model is HD1400 and it comes with 1-year warranty. Taking a look at the side of the box here, we can see that this features a folding handle for space saving and storage as well. So this is actually very useful if you go traveling, and it has a 1.8 meter power cord here, which is decent and long enough, and it features a premium metal honeycomb air intel grill. It has 3 gears of heat, speed settings and cool shot button. It also comes with an all-in-one hood for convenient storage, and it's super lightweight at 473 grams. And let's take a look at the other side of the box here. So as I said, this is the model HD1400, voltage at 240 volt at 50 Hz. Power is 1400 watt, which is okay. And here is the dimension, box dimension, and this is the matte gray color here. And let's take a look. Nothing more from the box here, so let's open it up. And it's very simple. It came with the plastic, and inside it's the hair dryer here. And here are some of the menus inside. Let's see. So we can register our warranty at this side here, so make sure to register it for your warranty here. And this states the condition of the warranty, and you need to fill this up. I'm not sure if you need to send this back. Actually you just need to fill it online here, or you can use this paper. And here is the manual itself in green color, Chinese, English. Very simple. It's actually extendable. Yep. So without further ado, let's take a look at this hair dryer itself. So it's a all plastic body here, but I like the texture. It feels nice on hand. And as you can see, this is the folding handle, and right now it's folding at like 0 degrees, and this is the second degree. And here's a full degree here where it's totally straight. So there's 2 angles you can adjust. You can use it like this. This is for traveling, or you can use it like this. And here is the head itself. It is a longitudinal hole here, but you can actually spin it however you want. This is also plastic, but as you can see, it's a bit translucent, and you can see a bit of the inside. Here is the branding logo. Here is the switch for cool air, I think. I'm not really sure. And here is the 3 stepping here. So first is this is off. This is cold air, hotter air. So there's 3 screws here. And like I said, this is the honeycomb design. I like this way. It actually, I like the design though, and the color does feel very nice. And here is the 1.8 meters cord here, and it's actually very thick. It's actually very lasting, I think. Of course, this is because it uses up to 1400 watts here. And here's a 3-pin power connector here with a protection. You can pull this off. And without further ado, let's go and try and install this, and we'll see how it goes. So right now I'm trying to connect to the power here. And here is the cooler itself. I'm gonna have to. It's already on. It's already on here. So no, long enough, I suppose. So let's try the first air. One. This is the hot air here. wind is actually very strong, which is cold air. I like it a lot. But if you go into hot air, it's actually quieter, but it's actually definitely hotter. So now let's go to the hot air. However, it's a bit hot and it's actually quieter. The fan is spinning at a lower rate, but you can definitely smell something burning, and the smell is actually quite strong. I really don't like it. I'm not sure if this is normal for other hairdryer, but this doesn't smell good in long run. So now let's try the hottest. 1, 2. I'm not sure if this is new, so it has that smell, but it really doesn't smell good when it's at the higher speed. Again, I would definitely suggest to use at just this level, the level 1 heat. But overall, I would say the feel on my hand is very nice. It's actually very light, and yeah. And also this button, if you put on heat, I believe it actually pulls out the cool air instead. Yep. So if you release it, it will become hot, and if you hold it, it will become cold air instead, which is actually quite convenient. And I think this one is a very good design. I really like it. And here's a look at the hole for holder as well. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share my videos if you find this useful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.